Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. Sí, 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 we are live. Estamos aquí en directo. My fellow friends, we are going to be taking a look at what is going on here on Bitcoin. Is the price bullish? Are we going to snap out here from the highs that we created on Wednesday? Are we going to find some resistance? Are we going to roll down from here? We'll be talking about the technical analysis on Bitcoin, many different altcoin projects that I do see an opportunity just as good as Constellation DAG. We have them in our pocket, guys. We are ready for what is to come. Get ready because the gains are going to continue. Of course, we're talking about the levels and the cryptocurrencies that are at rock bottom levels, just about to pop from a major resistance zone, so we can take advantage of these rallies that have happened throughout the last few weeks, and many are to follow in the next coming weeks, even days, guys. Make sure to destroy the like button on your way in. Smash up the like button, guys. Let's go, because we have a good one today. There is some interesting news, a little bit of stuff that I want to talk about, nothing too major. All right, we'll be taking a look at liquidity, understanding where we at here in this cryptocurrency cycle. Okay, going through major charts. All right, looking at the history of the Bitcoin dominance, the total 3 market cap, you know, all of the altcoins excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, and basically trying to understand and map where we at right now. Do we have still some very good projects to buy and make some insane gains, guys, just like we have been doing with some major projects? 𝗕𝗓, I don't know what 𝗕𝗓 is doing. I haven't checked out 𝗕𝗓, but obviously DAG is doing extremely well. 𝗕𝗓 is, yeah, 𝗕𝗓 is doing good. It's doing good. It's just at the highs, just about to create another high from the last few days pump. All right, this one, yeah, this is going to follow at some point, right, to take out those March highs, get above $2, guys. If you're holding 𝗕𝗓, I have not been taking profits from the buying zone of the last few weeks, and we are having some very cool projects as well throughout this stream. All right, so make sure to stay tuned, destroy the like button. We'll be talking about them in the next couple of minutes. I'm not sure if I want to ditch Bitcoin, right? Shall we ditch Bitcoin and just go through the opportunities on major altcoins? ICP, I bought a bunch of ICP in between the $9-10 range. Okay, however, it's lagging behind. You know, do I still believe that, you know, ICP will get above $20 and even higher? Absolutely, guys. If you do hold ICP from the last few weeks, this is a great breakout. It's a high cap crypto. It is going to continue to the upside no matter what, guys. We have data and charts to believe that that will be the case. We're going to see hundreds of billions of dollars go into altcoins. There's many reasons to believe that. We have Tether just in the last, you know, just this month, 15 billion, okay, worth of US dollar Tether has been printed. All of this eventually going into the altcoins. We can see the pops. This trend is going to continue. I will give that explanation. It is easy to understand that we are in a bull run, and this bull run will continue. There's no signs of weakness just yet. So let me just quickly check the comment section, see how many likes we do have right over here, because I need that like button to absolutely explode, guys. We will be spotting those opportunities that should be pumping in the next coming weeks, okay? A lot of the altcoins are going to pump. There is one chart that I want to take a look, because I did get a super chat, okay, on the previous stream. Somebody asking for IOTX analysis, and I skipped the super chat. I did not see it. This is an awesome project and still hasn't left the zone. This is another one that I would expect some pretty nice pumpy action momentum, right? This is actually a mid-low cap IOTX. There is an issue with this cryptocurrency. Basically, I think, you know, there's like 2 or 3 people, right? Or, you know, you wouldn't say, there's about 2, 3, 4 wallets that do own significant amounts of this cryptocurrency, meaning that they have, you know, almost complete control, right, of the volatility. This is something that I do not like. Eventually you can see how many wallets, you know, some people have based on you know, how many cryptos do they have, right? You can see the wallets, like Bitcoin, right? There's speculation that Satoshi owns over 1 million Bitcoin, right? Because there is a wallet that hasn't been moved since 2010, and there is 1 million Bitcoin that hasn't been moved from a wallet. So you can, know how much these wallets have. And IOTX, there's a small amount of wallets that have significant amount of the supply. So this is something that, it makes me a little bit skeptical. However, it is moving like the other altcoins, right? You get that major pump that we had on Q4 of 2023, Q1 getting the major pump, and then in between Q1 and Q2 getting that correction, right? And already bottoming out here in Q3. So expecting that, major move up here. It's just lagging behind. So IOTX looks relatively good for a spot buy, I have to say. This is another crypto that I would expect those March highs to be taken at some point in the coming weeks. So it is kind of in a buying zone. I do see this one doing a 2x, right? It might take 2 weeks, it might take 4 weeks, it might take 5 days. It's still in the zone, it still hasn't popped, which is very important. Anyway, Umbrella Network is eventually one of them, guys, that we do have in the bag. We do have it for today's content, all right? Umbrella's up today, 15%. Bring it on. 15% is nothing. This is a low cap crypto. We're going to see this one do 100, 200% pumps in a matter of a few weeks, if not days, guys. Now, hey, no financial advice. Take it with a grain of salt, all right? Don't trust YouTubers. Do your research, all right? I have a significant bag of Umbrella. It's a low cap, and if you're looking for that low cap coin to potentially do a 10, 20, even 30x, right? Realistically, I'm not going to say a 200x or a 1000x. That is ridiculous, guys. They're very hard, very unlikely you're going to get into a 1000x crypto at this stage. So we need to have realistic gains, realistic projections. Umbrella, a 30x, absolutely. A 10x, without a doubt, it's going to do that, guys, okay? That's what I believe. I have a significant chunk of Umbrella, and we can take a look at Umbrella as well. I do have it on the chart. It's just about to leave that accumulation zone that we have been very much talking about throughout the last few weeks, even months. So it's just testing the highs, and it's just about to rocket. Eventually, I do expect that March high to be taken, maybe get a bit of a reaction, a little bit of, volatility at this range, but I do expect continuation to the upside. If you want to buy rock bottom levels, well, the prices of different altcoins are leaving the station, guys. I cannot stress this enough. We are running out of time on major altcoins to buy low. There won't be any more of these streams in the coming weeks of altcoin opportunity, right? I will stay grounded. I will stay real, because we focus on Bitcoin trading mainly, right? We are traders. We scratch dollars from the market doing Bitcoin trading, technical analysis. But right now we are living this crypto altcoin season, the bull market, and we need to spot those opportunities on major altcoins. Once the prices of these assets are going to be absolutely flying, I won't be talking about buying anything, guys. We'll just be sharing the profits, riding the wave, and we'll focus purely on Bitcoin trading and technical analysis to find opportunities every single day. But right now, regarding low leverage opportunities and spot buys, come on, guys. It's been absolutely epic. The gains that I'm making right now, and I assume that you are making as well, is crazy based on the calls that we mentioned throughout the last few weeks, right? We've got a bunch of them that we can talk about. I always repeat them, but now we need to focus on the ones that haven't left the station. You are not late still, guys, okay? You are not late, and you are not going to be buying the pumps on these cryptos because they still haven't pumped. Ones that I'm going to mention throughout this live stream, so make sure to stay tuned. Destroy that like button. Come on, guys, we got 59 likes. I cannot believe this. Almost 500 people watching the stream. We can push that like button, guys. It's an opportunity of a lifetime, and you are here to figure out which altcoins could have that potential gain, right, for the next coming weeks. 2, 3, 4, 5, 10x, right? You guys make me thirsty. You guys make me thirsty. Let's go through the comment section, then we'll dive in, okay? Let's see the like button, see if we get to at least above. Oh yeah, there we go. 126 likes. The likes are going pretty nice right now. Let's get it to 200 legends, 200 likes, and we're gonna crack on straight to some great altcoin opportunities for the new subscribers as well. Of course, the ones that haven't been checking the last few weeks, last few days, they've missed out, right? New subscribers missed out on Constellation DAG, on Cadena. Cadena still has a massive run to the upside. It's going to do another 2x in the next coming days. But overall, all of these different ones looking for the bottom formation, right? We still have them. We still have a few that I have ready here on the stream. So we can buy low, guys. We can buy low and have very good risk management. We almost will be risk-free, right, from buying at low levels before that pump happens. We do not want to buy those pumps, those explosive moves to the upside. We'll be running a little late and we'll have extreme risk for potential big pullbacks for whatever could happen for Bitcoin. We'll be in very good positions, right? That's what it's all about. Try and protect your capital and get in at the lowest level possible. All right, lowest level possible. Not saying to get the exact bottom, okay, but very close to the bottom before things start taking off, because we want to be in that rocket, right? We want to be in those pumps. Okay, let's go through comment section here quickly. I got a bunch of super chats. It is busy, guys. People want questions. People want altcoins to be taken a look at. The comment section is going crazy. Umbrella 50x is a joke. 50x, Donny, 50x. Hey, I'm not sure if you're saying it's a joke as it's going to be very easy to do a 50x. I have to say at least a 10x. Going to 60 million market cap, which is a baby in crypto. That's a 10x from current price levels, right? From current market cap. Easy peasy, easy peasy. For Umbrella to get to a few 100 million market cap, that will be extending it to a 20x, a 30x. It's a baby, guys. Even 500 million, 500 million is ridiculous in speculation on some altcoins, and this is an awesome project. So yeah, could it do a 10, 20, 50x? I'm happy with a 10x, guys. I ain't got $10,000 invested in this, I can tell you that. So with a 10x, I'll be very much happy if this does do that, right? I am looking at least round about those those multiples. Let's go through comment section, say hello to the beautiful community, and let's go through super chats, because I feel so bad from some people yesterday missing out on the super chat. IOTX still looks pretty interesting in a buy zone. This is just starting the parabolic run here to the upside. It might get a pullback, a little bit of consolidation, but overall we are expecting that bottom formation and that round, reversal to continue on many altcoins. And IOTX, I have to say, is an awesome project. The only thing is that there is a small amount of addresses that do hold significant amount of the cryptocurrency, okay? Just something to point out there, very important. Right, let's go right away through the comment section, okay? Stefan, how are you doing? Andy, check win, please. Look like it will pump very soon. There's too many altcoins, guys. It's going to be very, very difficult for me to go to every single win. I think this one does look very good on the chart. Let me just quickly do, I think this one, what is it? Based on bets? Is it bets or is it in gaming or bets or something? What is this? Launch suggest. I have no idea what this one is. Winklink. I have no idea. The first Oracle. It's an Oracle on Tron's ecosystem. Okay, I haven't done much research on the, well, not any research at all on this one, but it does look like it wants to take off. Tron has been breaking all-time high the last few months. Tron network has been doing extremely well. This to be an Oracle on the Tron network, hey, we have to give it a shot, especially looking at this chart right over here. Massive pump, dump, bottom formation. This is ready, guys. I have to say that this is ready. It's not going to be difficult to detect those major opportunity zones, because many are going to get the pop. Many are just going to break out. You know what happens in an altcoin season. Look what happened in Q1 of 2024, right, of this year. This one went absolutely crazy. It did, from the bottom levels, it did round about a 3-4x. Everything pumps, guys. Let's leave it this way, right? Everybody's a genius season right now. Anybody in the comment section is going to spot very good opportunities. We are here to try to detect those bottom formation. Everything pumps, guys. Look at this one. This one pumped massively in Q3 to Q1 Q4 of 2023 and Q1 of this year, right? Everything pumps. Every chart that we pull out on altcoins, we can see that rally throughout Q1 of 2024. So everything pumps out and everything looks like it is bottoming out also here. However, the high cap coins, Cardano, Avalanche, right, XRP, all of these ones have flown already, okay? They are flying, okay? They are above the March highs, right? And they are flying. So they've made those multiples. They've made 2, 3x, right, throughout the last few weeks. We have to detect the ones that haven't broken. The money flow hasn't gone through these low cap coins. So this is where we're going to find the opportunities. And I have to say, hey, if this one pumped in Q4, and Q1 of 2024, if this one pumped, hey, why wouldn't it pump right now when some high cap coins are flying, right? It's going to happen. They just lag behind. And there's a great chart that we can pull out here. And that is Cardano, for example, right? Let's put ADA here on the chart. Let's put it blue. And we can actually see how they lag behind, right? Let's put this in the blue so you can understand that this right over here on the linear chart, right? It is Cardano, right? Let's just pin this in the left right there. Put the percentage and put it beside here this cryptocurrency, right? Winklink, right? We can see how they do lag behind ever so slightly, right? This pump right over here on Cardano, it did take round about 2 weeks for this other one to start pumping as well, right? We can see the difference from the start of the pump right there, right over here. So there is a difference in timing. Also right over here, I mean, you could see some exponential growth here on Cardano, but they're basically lagging behind, right? These crypto altcoins, they are lagging behind just these high cap coins just because the money flow hasn't gone to these cryptocurrencies. Why did this one pump in Q3 of 2023, right? Q4, sorry, I'm getting this confused every single time I say it. Q4 of 2023. They pumped also, right? These altcoins pumped with Cardano, with the high caps, everything pumped. Why isn't this one pumping? It is just a matter of time. We can see that money flow hasn't reached, all right, this cryptocurrency. So I have to say Winklink, okay, Oracle for the Tron network, we have to give it a chance, okay? Just with the name by itself, it does look very good on the chart. So I would speculate that this one is ready to get that massive breakout in the coming weeks, if not days, okay? So yeah, good spot on this one. This does look like it wants to rocket very, very soon. There's many of them, guys, many mid-cap, low-cap coins. We need to jump in, make those multiples, all right, and stay defensive, right? We're going to have a great position because we bought at very low levels, right? There will be a moment where this opportunity in the next coming weeks, we won't have that opportunity. Every dip that happens in this consolidation range for a lot of the cryptos, there we go. Umbrella is leaving the station, guys. It is happening live in front of our eyes. It is gone, guys. It is gone. We've been talking about this one now for the last week, saying, guys, the opportunity, we are going to miss that opportunity. And it's just leaving the station right now. It is ready for that bull run to start heading to the March highs in the next coming weeks, if not days, okay? So Umbrella has left the bottom formation. The opportunity zone is leaving the station that we have been talking about repeatedly throughout the streams the last few weeks and months, guys. And of course, we won't be talking about this in the coming weeks. We'll be talking about this just to pull out the streams, right, where we bought, right, just for that quick reminder on those people that did actually buy and you know how we spotted those opportunities. So Umbrella leaving the station, already doing a 2x from the last 2 weeks range, all right, so doing pretty well. I have to say it's one of them that I was happy to say that the 14 cent 13 cent range from the last couple of days, this is still a good buying zone to buy at cheap levels. Once we start moving here to the 2.5 3 cent level, then I have to say, yeah, I'm not that interested in buying here. All that I had to buy was in this range at the 1 cent to 1 to 1.5 cent zone. So that is leaving the station. Whoever got into Umbrella, congratulations. Hold on, guys, because this is going to be a bumpy ride. We're going to see some volatility, but overall, we are expecting that momentum to continue. Congratulations, whoever got in at very low levels. Do not FOMO in, guys. Any pullbacks could happen at any time. BTC analysis, we're going to go through that eventually. We need to talk about the Bitcoin analysis, but come on, guys. We can make some easy 2x flips on many altcoins. Altcoins are just looking incredibly well to buy in, basically, right? Umbrella, Adamo, absolutely. Yes, it is going. It is just going right now as we are doing this stream. We just got this pump right now, breaking out, a bit of volatility. We got a bit of a fake pump here and a rejection. Could we see that rejection here? I think that would only be an opportunity zone, because this is heading to the March highs. We like it or not, just like this pump and dump right there. Hey, take this as an opportunity. If we pump down to this range, I have to say, guys, we're getting a second, probably a third opportunity, right? Last opportunity before we go to higher levels. So overall, congratulations. Getting really thirsty here, guys. Congratulations whoever jumped in, guys. Smash up the like button. I cannot believe it. We've been talking about these cryptos, just being patient for those breakouts on many of them, and I'm not getting any likes. I don't know what's going on, legends. Come on. We are trying to stay serious here. We're trying to spot those big major opportunities throughout the crypto market, and I'm here reading the comments and going through all of this. We need to destroy that like button. We need to get to 300 likes. Come on. Hey, peeps. Scroll down. Smash it up. We need 300 likes right away before we continue, because I'm going to go through the super chats first of all, okay? I cannot ignore the super chats. Bitcoin is pumping. We're going to talk about the different possibilities that could happen on Bitcoin. There is a little bit of resistance that could be here in this zone of $98,000. If we manage to break out successfully from here, yeah, all-time highs is an option, okay? But I don't think we're going to smash through all-time highs and go to $110,000 in the next 1 to 2 days, especially on the weekend. There are some scenarios. There is some technical analysis based on Elliott wave theory that we need to discuss, all right, right now throughout this stream, all right? But first of all, is Ethereum going to hit $4,000 today? Says, yo mama so fat. Super chat, okay? My goodness, we need to take a look at Ethereum. Come on. Will Ethereum hit $4,000? Well, that's going to be an interesting question. Ethereum is hitting some big major resistance at the moment. It is the value area high of this trading range from February till August, right, of 2024. Value area high, lower high resistance. It's a tough nut to crack, but I would expect that momentum to just break out with a pullback or without a pullback. So could we hit 4,000 today? Absolutely, yes, it is an option, without a doubt. You know, we are ready to break out here on Ethereum. So that's the answer to that. Could it hit today? Yeah, but it could, you know, it is at resistance. Just something to point out here, looking at the chart. This is why we are consolidating here the last few days at this $3,600 range. Value area high, lower high resistance, right? It's just getting a bit of a tough nut to crack at the moment, but I would expect it to break out here very, very soon. 𝗬𝗏 coin from Timo. Oh yes, baby, we are in 𝗬𝗏. We are in many different positions on these altcoins, okay? 𝗬𝗏, I do have it here somewhere on the chart. Somewhere. It is here somewhere. 𝗬𝗏, I think this one's going to do incredibly well. Somebody pointed out this a few days ago on the stream just before we got the breakout, and I instantly bought a bit. I didn't buy much. Of this one. You know, yeah, I bought this one on KuCoin. I had a few $1,000s here available to buy, and I bought some 𝗬𝗏, which is, I think, is going to do very, very well. We can't buy everything, right? I'm just trying to scoop up many altcoins as I can. You know, put 5K here, 10K there, 15K over there, and it was just, I think it's. We can't have too many altcoins either. I don't want to have 100 altcoins in my portfolio, right? Right now, I'm just round about 30 altcoins, and I think it's, you know, too much anyway. I'm not a supporter of having, 100 altcoins, because it's just going to be crazy. Almost everything is going to pump. So one's going to do a bit more X's than the other, but it's just very hard. Having too many altcoins, I think, is a bad strategy, and I'm saying that almost having 30 altcoins. But the biggest positions that I do have is eventually Ethereum, Chainlink, okay, and many other ones, okay. I do have I don't know how many altcoins I do have right now, guys. I was trying to keep it just under the 20 altcoins, but throughout the last couple of weeks, I added another 10 altcoins, right? Constellation, DAG, Cardano, and you get the deal, right? We just want to spot those bottom formations and just be in the rally, right? Be in the rally. So can you take a look at Mina Protocol? I also have some Mina Protocol, and thanks for all your advice and work. No financial advice eventually. I can tell you what I am doing, but Mina Protocol, bring it on. Yeah, absolutely. This is one that we said also throughout the last few months. This is a great cryptocurrency project, and it's in an incredible buy zone. The fact that we tested the lows of the bear market was incredible. This was like the level to scoop up. It hasn't even done a 2x, right, from the last few weeks price action zone, right? The 40-cent level, just round about a 2x approximately. This one, yeah, March highs, it's a matter of time, guys. It's a matter of being patient. We're going to start seeing those God candles, just like we did see in Q1 of 2024, at some point on these altcoins, okay? Stay cautious with leverage, of course, right? Go with low leverage. If not, buy on spot, okay? Buy on spot and hold on. I cannot handle 30 different trades of low leverage. I'll just buy on spot a big chunk and just enjoy the ride here for the next coming weeks, just making it easy as an investor as well. The cryptocurrency that I trade 95% of the times is Bitcoin. This is the one where I do my day trading. Altcoins, I just throw a bunch of money into them and look for those multiples, right? Just keeping a simple strategy throughout the last few weeks. Just buy on spot. And if you are happy to do a low leverage position, right, with a 3, 4, 5x, if you are buying at really decent levels, well, and it's also a good strategy. We are expecting this altcoin season to continue very aggressively. So regarding Mina Protocol, we're probably just hitting a little bit of resistance at the moment, probably hitting this point of control from this consolidation, right? We got a high volume node from this range that we did form back in April and May, right? Just about front running that high volume node of this consolidation. So overall, I do expect this to get, if it does get the pullback, I am expecting some resistance support flips, just scaling up here to the upside. Just keeping it simple, guys. We are in bull run. The pullbacks could be very shallow. Pullbacks are opportunities to scoop up some cheaper of these altcoins before they actually take the March highs, okay? Because I do expect, especially Mina Protocol, to take out the March highs at $1.70. Remember, you can buy Mina Protocol and even trade it here on Bybit. You also have Bluffin. Guys, Bluffin is a no KYC platform, just with an email and a password, all right? You can start signing up and trading in a matter of minutes. Take advantage of that 10% cashback down below. You can buy and trade hundreds of altcoins on Bluffin, guys. 10% cashback with the link down below. If you can trade on Bybit, I would go with Bybit. Bybit is, for me, #1 trading platform. Let's take a look at the rest of the altcoins and look at some I mean, this looks epic, guys. This crypto win, right, which is an oracle for the Tron network. Look at the rally it had back in Q4 and Q1 of 2024, right, in March here. Major rally. And look at Cardano, right? Absolutely exploding above the March highs. Lots of these cryptos are lagging behind. They did move very similar. There were some lags, okay? It was lagging, all right? A few days, even a few weeks, okay? High caps do usually pump first or dump first, right? So this one, yeah, the movement did happen as well. Same movement of a correction, same bottom formation. However, they haven't seen the money flow yet. The money flow of the large cap coins and even new money that is coming into crypto, because we can see that with Google Trends. Hey, there's a lot of new money coming in. Right, look at this. Search altcoins, right? Woo, already breaking the highs here from 2021. FOMO is real. The last few weeks, there's new, fresh liquidity joining, which is new money that is going to be poured into altcoins. So it doesn't mean that all of the money from Bitcoin and the high caps need to flow into the altcoins. We are seeing fresh money, guys, the last few weeks. This is why we're seeing the Tether money printer, going absolutely bananas, right? Not only Tether, US dollar coin as well. People are depositing fiat on exchanges very aggressively the last few weeks, billions of dollars, and all of this is, all of this Tether printing is because you're getting fiat into the exchanges. So Tether needs to back up that fiat, right? And they just print Tether. That means there's new fiat coming in. So, hey, all of this money is going into crypto. It's new, fresh liquidity. So we are expecting a large amount of liquidity to jump in all of these different altcoins, right? It's simple to understand that, hey, this is going to happen, and we are living this opportunity of a lifetime, guys. The gains are very much real. In the next coming months, we should be making massive gains, all right? And if we do not make those gains, we need to be protected. And how are you protected? Well, buying at very low levels, understanding where the heck we need to buy, just like all of these different ones. Constellation DAG, we do have Cadena. We want to buy here because we are almost risk-free right now in actually losing money. There's going to be a lot of people that loses money in crypto. It happens every cycle. It happens every time. You FOMO in, you buy the wrong cryptocurrency, you do not know where to buy. Hey, I've been buying so many different altcoins at these levels, all right? And I mean, for me to lose is almost close to impossible, right? When we're looking at these altcoins, I mean, we'd have to come back down to the lows and I'll be at break even. And coming to break down the lows to form a downtrend here it's just not going to happen, right? It's not going to happen after coming from a bear market and getting the disbelief rally. Breaking down here is just, it's not an option, right? So it's not an option. It ain't going to happen. So we need to detect, guys, the opportunities, right? And we're going to run out of the opportunities in the coming weeks. It has to be said. It has to be said. Yeah, I'll be focusing my channel in the coming weeks in purely Bitcoin trading. Now I'm getting distracted with altcoins because we need to take advantage of this, guys, like we have been done the last few weeks. And this is why we're trying to spot some new different projects. IOTX, I have to say, it is an interesting buy zone, okay? Someone pointed out this with a super chat and we didn't manage to look at it, all right? I still think there is time for this one to scoop some, all right, before it gets the major pump, all right? So it is in a zone. It has been pumping the last few days ever so slightly, and it's just about to leave the station. We do have a few of them. 𝗓𝗨 Network is... I'm really surprised of 𝗓𝗨 Network, how it hasn't gone parabolic just yet, but it is building up. You can see that there's basically no selling pressure. There's just higher lows being formed, and this one's just going to snap out of it, guys. You can see how these parabolic moves build up, right? Where you're just building up here to the resistance zone, just a bunch of, and then it just starts going very aggressively, right? Then you start seeing absolutely flying. Would I consider 𝗓𝗨 Network still a good zone? I have to say, for me, it would still be okay to scoop some up at this zone, right? Once it starts hitting the 20 cent level, 25 cent, I would say, okay, guys, that's it, right? We've got a good average buying zone, even here. Just let it go right now, just to stay safe of any unrealized losses that could happen, right? Throughout the next coming weeks, once we get that pump. I just really don't want people to buy in any pumps, just in case whatever could happen. We do not know if there's going to be a black swan event around the corner. We will just find a good opportunity. If we do get a black swan, guys, in crypto, worldwide, it's just going to bring another buying zone. All right, I will not be scared of any major correction that could happen based on a black swan event. We just don't know if that's going to happen. But if it does, I can tell you that I do have still cash on the sidelines, and I will be buying extremely aggressively, because that's what I did back in the C19 crash, right? Black swan event, bring it on. This is opportunity of a lifetime, right? This is a black swan event, right? C19 crash, oh my goodness, you know, everything looks horrible for the near future for most of the things. It was the bottom, right? It was the major crash that brought you the biggest opportunity that you could have had ever. Black swan events, yeah, they are good for buying without a doubt. So I wouldn't be too worried if we do see a major black swan event here in the near future. Just gonna bring a great major buying zone, especially for a lot of the altcoins. Let's dive in through the comment section here still. So Mina protocol looking pretty good. 1,000 on the stream. Smash up the like. It's so bearish. Like button is extremely bearish, and we've been spotting some great opportunities. We've been diving in, guys, and I cannot stress that enough, through so many good projects. And even Umbrella right now, you know, I have to say, Umbrella, we're going to stop talking about Umbrella very, very soon. We just are going to stop talking about it very, very soon, guys, because it's going to leave the station, right? We'll be pulling it out on the stream just as a reminder, saying, guys, do you remember how we were talking about this for so long, right? So even months, saying, guys, bottom formation, this is a cycle. You have an opportunity right there of a lifetime to make some multiple gains, and it's actually leaving the station already. It's leaving, right? If we do get any pullbacks down here again, I'm just gonna say, right, it's just giving another opportunity before it actually, you know, rockets. So hey, come on, you know, I need some support from you guys. You might think that this is a bunch of BS, but come on, whoever's a legit subscriber from the last few months and the last few weeks, you know, we've been actually buying some very, very good projects at rock bottom levels, guys, and this is how you do it. The risk that you have of losing is extremely low, and the exponential gains is extremely high. So we are not going to be talking about buying opportunities in the very near future. I would say in the next coming weeks. We do still have some opportunities, I think, for another couple of weeks. Maybe it might extend for a month or so, but it's running out on a lot of the cryptos, right? Cardano. Hey, would I say Cardano is a good buy right now? Absolutely not, guys. You know, we pulled out this chart also the last couple of months saying this is going to snap out of here. Regarding Elliott wave theory, we very much understood, just like Chainlink. I mean, Chainlink is my guidance for the altcoin analysis. When we do take a look at Chainlink, well, Chainlink eventually, all right, was the altcoin, and I need to pull out that live stream. I need to pull out that live stream from 2023, spotting exactly the momentum and what are we going to see on Chainlink in the next coming months when we were trading at this zone. This box right here was the opportunity zone. Anything below $10 in this pullback was great opportunity for Chainlink, because we have finished the first initial impulse from this bull run. We are finishing the corrective structure in that higher time frame wave 2, and if you don't get in now, then you are going to be late. You will be late on Chainlink before it pops out in this third wave that will be very explosive. It is being explosive throughout the last couple of weeks, not as much as other ones. It's just a matter of time. Everything moves differently, but we'll be seeing Chainlink above, you know, $25 and even above $30 very, very soon. And we knew that many months in advance. Once we get up there, guys, it's been a cool bull run, right? It's been, you know, it's been very, very cool knowing exactly what would happen with the movements. We've been spotting this since 2023, the disbelief rally, the wave 1, and the corrective move in a wave 2. And then we off, guys, again, right? Not hard. We were very much aware of these movements, right? Since 2023. I will have to pull out that chart. I will find it. I will dedicate, and there should be a few live streams throughout the summer of 2023 where I basically talked about this. Basically drew this on the chart, and I need to find that live stream. Said we're going to have a rally, disbelief, correction, wave 1, wave 2, and we're going to start heading into that wave 3, you know, by Q4 of this year and Q1 of 2025. But it's already something that you know, right? Based on the 4-year cycle. It's just You're coming from a bear market and a major accumulation zone. So what you're gonna get? You're gonna get the pump and dump and pump. It's the history of every bubble. It's the history of every cycle. That's how it moves. So, right, anyway, let's go right away. I hope a lot of you did take advantage, guys, of the opportunities that we've had, right? It's just, I really do, okay? Because we're not here to talk a bunch of BS. We're here to talk real opportunities that are life-changing, basically, right? I mean, depending on what you enter or how much leverage you're using, but we've been spotting some incredible. Umbrella dev exploding. Umbrella is getting the pop. The thing about Umbrella, okay, is it's a very low cap, guys, and we can see this, throw out a 3-4x in a matter of days. This could pump 200-400% in a matter of days. And the main reason why is because it's an extreme low market cap, right? And this is what we love, right? There's these low cap cryptos, they pump with a few $1 million, right? With a few $1 million, once you get that wave of people, jumping in, it's just going to create that hockey stick, right? It's just going to, and this hockey stick is in the formation. We are in the formation of that hockey stick. So low cap coins, these explode. Once they get the FOMO, once they get the major rally, that it's so easy to pump these low cap coins, and this is where you will find multiple gains. So yeah, just something that I wanted to point out. So 𝗖𝗿𝗆𝗿𝗫, I don't think I have some super chats here. Devil, my man, Lie looks ready, like smash, money flowing into AI. Woo! AI, 𝗬𝗏 Network is in AI as well. I am surprised that 𝗬𝗏 Network hasn't, is not trading at 30 cents already. I am really surprised that this one, which is an insane AI project, hasn't, exploded yet. If this is like, it's leaving the station, okay? But I'm very surprised that this one, being such a solid project, is still dancing around here. I mean, the reason is simple for me. It's a mid-low cap. 𝗬𝗏 Network is still a mid-low cap cryptocurrency, and the money flow hasn't gone to the speculation on those mid-low caps yet. So that's the main reason, but this one's going to fly without a doubt. So Lie is still at a good zone, guys. Deviled here in the layer AI. This one's already up 11% today, and it's ready to pop here according to Deviled. If you do not know Deviled, guys, shout out to him. He is an absolute legend. He is a coach in the Legends trading community, and if you do not know him already, you need to go and check him out. I'm going to leave the pinned comment. Okay, I'm going to leave in the comment his YouTube channel, and I will pin it, all right? So you can go and follow him right away if you want some insane alpha on technical analysis, trading opportunities, right? Looking at altcoins. He is right there in the pinned comment, guys. Go and check Deviled if you want to take your trading experience to the next level. He is a coach in the Legends trading community, providing live streams every single day, Monday to Friday, giving that knowledge and giving the intraday setups for the price of Bitcoin. I need to give a shout out to Aiden today, because Aiden, also one of the coaches in the Legends trading community, providing a long setup today, looking for this momentum to actually continue to the upside. We did bounce here from the daily open. I was a little bit skeptical. There are some trading zones that I'm going to be talking about here throughout this pump, but Aiden, shout out to him, guys. If you do want to get in here in the Legends trading community, looking at the technical analysis and the setups that are provided every single day with the education, with the modules, there's only one place to go. It is the first link down below, Legends trading community. You have the modules to learn how to trade like a professional. Click on the link and you have all of the info right over here, guys. It is time to learn and to educate so you can fish for yourself. Now let's take a look at this crypto here from Deviled. Layer AI, Lie. Let's pull this one on the chart right away. Let's pull this one on the chart right now. My goodness, guys, my goodness. The opportunities are very much here. It is on Bybit, it is on 𝗬𝗫, on Bluffin. It's on multiple exchanges. Let's take a look at this one, which is the the oldest exchange, Gate.io, that has had this cryptocurrency. Ooh, no. This cannot be true. This cannot be true. Artificial intelligence, smart contract platform, 43 million. Okay. This could be something. I don't want to buy more altcoins. I have a massive bag of multiple altcoins that are already in the gains. And oh my goodness, I just don't want to miss out on more, guys. I don't want to be greedy, but if I do pull out a chart and we are here, I ain't going to buy the pumps. But if I do see a chart, 𝗬𝗏𝘆, absolutely awesome. You know, AI is going to have another run without a doubt. AI altcoins are going to have another run. 𝗬𝗏𝘆, absolute beautiful spot on this one, because this one's in the consolidation area. We had March went crazy. Of course, we did have that AI bubble, right? This is going to have a run with no doubt in the next coming weeks, if not days. It's just ready to leave the station. It's ready to leave the station. Oh my goodness. I'm really... Shall we buy up some of this crypto? I mean, if 𝗬𝗏𝘆 is talking about this one, the dedicated blockchain network for data monetization with AI models, if 𝗬𝗏𝘆 is talking about this one, I trust him. Of course, no financial advice throughout any of us, but looking at the chart, if it is an AI, layer AI, if it is an AI crypto project and we are here, not to worry, I'm not going to buy any of this, but I want to buy some of this, right, before it does any of this. So I kind of feel like I want to be in this cryptocurrency. I do have some cash on the sidelines that I would feel in the next coming weeks, if this does manage to pop out. Why the heck didn't I buy here at these levels? Well, that would be stupid, wouldn't it? It's still at a very good low risk zone. So yeah, I'm considering to get some of this. I mean, this one is available. It is available on Bybit. It's on multiple different exchanges. You can buy it on spot. You can even leverage trade it here on Bybit. Guys, take advantage of that bonus that there is down below. You get a $500 airdrop, okay, on Bybit. You can buy this one on Bybit. Not saying to you to buy it. Do your research. You can also get it on Bluffin, and on Bluffin, just with an email and a password, you're signing up, guys, and you're getting 10% cash back. So take advantage of those bonuses that you have down below. 10% cash back from your initial deposit for your trading. This one does look like it wants to pop here from this lower high. Of course, it might get some resistance. If it were to do so and gets another pullback, I'm just going to see this as a great opportunity zone before it leaves the station like the rest of the altcoins. Shout out to you, 𝗬𝗏𝘆. I'm going to leave this one here, right? I'm going to have it saved up because I do feel like I want to buy some of this altcoin without a doubt, especially if it is in AI. It's up 12% today, so you're kind of buying the intraday pump, but I do think that higher time frame, this is kind of a kind of crypto that you would hold on for the next coming weeks, right? You would have to hold on, and just in case we get some volatility in this range, you're just going to have to hold on, because it's a matter of time that it will snap out, right? We're talking days here, if not a few weeks. We're talking days before this could potentially get the speculation pump, and it's a 43 million market cap. So without a doubt, yeah, there is significant room of growth on this cryptocurrency. Shout out to you, 𝗬𝗏𝘆, somewhere here in the comment section. Absolutely epic. Let's go. Crypto Big Brains, thanks for the support. We've got moderators here. 𝗬𝗏𝘊𝗽 giving power as always. Low setup, play it out perfectly. Says low setup, play out perfectly, says 𝗬𝗏𝘊𝗽. Absolute legend. Absolute legend. All right, let's take a look at the super chats because I do have a few super chats here, guys, and we cannot ignore them. I would love to go through every single comment, but 𝗬𝗍𝗿 is saying, please check OFN Open Fabric. Right, we are here to listen to the community because if we can spot some other good crypto projects, Open Fabric, this one's up 28% today, so this one is kind of leaving the station already. Open Fabric AI. Yeah, AI is going to have their run, guys. 17 million market cap. So this one looks pretty damn good. Let's take a look at this one right away on the chart. All right, let's go. Umbrella's moving today. It is moving just today. It is leaving the station, guys. Opportunities are running out. We can see this one, OFN, US dollar here. Woo! I mean, this one's up significantly today, but it's still in a, oh my goodness. Guys, I think the opportunities are still very much there on AI as well. Look at these ones. The low cap cryptos haven't seen the pop. My goodness. I need to start moving some tether into the exchanges right away. I need to get these cryptos out of the exchanges, but I need to move some tether to buy up some more cryptocurrencies. When I see a chart like this, shout out to you, 𝗬𝗍𝗿. This looks absolutely awesome. This looks insane. I mean, I'm not sure about the project, but I would have to do a quick research here with the team and see if it is a very, very good cryptocurrency, and it has a great roadmap, great partnerships. We have to take advantage, without a doubt, guys, of this cryptocurrency bull run, especially on the cryptos that have not taken off yet. They have not taken off. Open Fabric AI, I think this was good. Looking at the chart, to DCA, to scoop up some, right? Make sure to manage risk, right? Don't go all in. Don't sell the house and buy this crypto, right? We never know what could happen. Make sure to diversify. But overall, I think having a bit of this, without a doubt, looks incredibly good. Also, just like 𝗖𝗿, right? Just like 𝗖𝗿, as 𝗕𝗏𝗏 was saying, AI projects seems like that they're going to have an insane run in the coming weeks. They're at rock bottom levels. You have the pump and dump accumulation zone. This ain't a bear flag. This ain't going to break down. It's going to break up with high probability. So will it range a little bit more? That is something that we never know, right? That is something that we do not know. It might get a pullback at the highs and then get another drop before it actually rockets, okay? So it's just going to extend the opportunity if we do get that pullback, just like we did with Umbrella, right? Keeping it simple, just like we did with Umbrella, where we basically just gained time. We just gained time with Umbrella. We were getting these pump and dumps, and I had people in the comment section saying, what's going on? You know, what happened with this pump and dump? Is it dead? Saying, no. You know, it's just giving us another opportunity to buy at extreme low levels, right? Any pump and dumps that happen in the range are just absolutely natural. You know, just take it as an opportunity. Okay, take it as an opportunity. Once it leaves, then yeah, well, then I'm not too that interested in buying the pump eventually. So without a doubt, these ones that have been mentioned, right? These ones that have been mentioned right away, look extremely good as a DCAing zone, right? As an aggressive DCAing zone. Shout out to the guys here. These are cryptos that are being brought up from the community. They're being brought up from the super chats from 𝗕𝗏𝗏, one of the coaches in the community, also in the Legends Trading community. I am running out of them, guys. I've been spotting some different ones. DAG, Cardano, ICP, high cap ones, the, Umbrella, right? Many different ones. There's still opportunities, and I'm getting them from the people in the comment section. These are not my picks. And the charts look amazing. The chart looks amazing, especially if they are in AI. So we have them. We have more opportunities. OFN, great buying zone, in my opinion. No financial advice. 𝗖𝗏𝗏 also looks incredibly good. I'll have to do a little deep dive on these ones based on the tokenomics, the roadmap, the creators, the partnerships, see if they are quite legit. All right. It's important to have a little bit of information of the fundamentals of these crypto projects always, no matter how good the chart looks. We need to have a little bit of knowledge on what we are buying, right? Even though the chart looks amazing. You have the best analysis and great picks of all YouTube, says Rohan Malhotra. Wow, absolutely amazing. You know, seeing a comment like this, hey, there will be a couple of them. I have to say, you know, one of my, there was a crypto investment that I got into that I'm holding massive unrealized losses, guys, over 90%, because, you know, they had a major liquidity, basically a massive inflation, and this is Sora network. You could arguably discuss, I got wrecked on this one. I got extremely wrecked. I stopped buying eventually, but yeah, over $20,000. It was just a small percentage, right, of my crypto portfolio, you know, one of these 𝗬𝗙 altcoins, but I got wrecked. And I did talk about this one on the channel throughout many months. I have to say it's the only one that basically is kind of almost a rug pull, because they had massive inflation on the token. It's an elastic supply. I mean, the supply could go down in the future, but bad calls have to be talked about as well. And this has to be the only bad call. I mean, this was mentioned many months ago. I stopped talking about Sora network once the price was still in the bear market and saying, guys, I'm not buying any Sora anymore. I'm just going to hold on. And yeah, it's just, you know, I'm down over 95% on this cryptocurrency, which is, yeah, basically massive downfall, massive inflation. But this is why we diversify, right? If I would have gone all in on this one, I would have lost all of my money and I would have been broke. So we do not do that, right? It's fine to have 1-2 cryptos that, you know, you might get into a rug pull, or you might buy a little late on one of them and you're holding massive unrealized losses. It's just part of the game, right? There will be 1 or 2 that it's almost inevitable, right, that you are going to be losing on, right? And for me, the one that I'm down big time, which is less than 1% of my portfolio, is Sora network. This one I got wrecked. Right, I got wrecked on this one, guys. You know, it's stories that we need to talk about as well, right? We cannot only say about gains on this one. I've bought the last few months, you know, even the last year. You could arguably discuss, I lost all of my money on this one. I haven't lost because it's unrealized, but I'm just going to leave the bag, see what if they do find a solution. It is still an interesting project, but they got into a massive inflation spree here. So we need to talk about this, right? And this is one of those altcoins, you know, that I will always remember. Hey, which altcoin did you lose, you know, a chunk of money? I mean, for me at $20,000, it's fine. But, you know, if you ask me, I'm going to say Sora network. You know, this is the one that I basically lost in this bull market. But then there's dozens of other ones that are obviously outperforming this. So it's just like a little scratch, right? It's just a little scratch in the portfolio that is, you know, insignificant, really, based on the gains of the rest of the cryptos. So anyway, my bad. It's just a little story that I wanted to say, guys. You know, hey, do you have an altcoin that you actually lost money? Yeah, of course. You know, Sora network is one of them, which is a very small amount in the portfolio, which this is why it's absolute nothing. But it has to be talked about, right? We need to talk about the bad ones as well. And the only one that I have is Sora network. I do have many other ones that are great, as you do know if you are a legit follower. So anyway, let's go through the next super chat. We have Christian here. Andy, look at 𝗖𝗿𝘆𝗽𝗽. Yes, this one is out there. This is one that 𝗕𝗏𝗆 mentioned right now also on the stream. And 𝗖𝗿𝗽𝗽, I think, it's in a great accumulation zone. Okay? I think this is still in great accumulation. Be aware that this could continue for the next coming weeks. I mean, we would have to see a big pullback on Bitcoin and a little bit of, you know, market dominance, Bitcoin dominance going up, Bitcoin dumping, maybe to get a bit of more sideways momentum and a little correction of 10-20%. It could happen. I would just see it as a major opportunity. Any pullback that happens on these cryptos which possibly is not going to happen, guys, I have to say. Like I've been talking about throughout the many other ones that are pumping already, I'm letting you know there's two scenarios here, and they are both bullish. There are two scenarios on these altcoins, especially these AI coins. There's two scenarios. They are both bullish. You either break out now in the coming days, or you actually get a pullback and you break out in the coming weeks. So take it with a pinch of salt. Take it with a pinch of salt, guys. But this is very likely the scenarios. Umbrella is leaving the station, says Donnie. It damn is. It is. Of course it's leaving the station. We've been waiting on this in the station for many months on Umbrella. We've been waiting and buying the tickets, but it's leaving right now. So we are in a very good position. So all good. Check out Sharp. Let's take a look at Sharp. Why not? I'm going to save this one without a doubt. And I want to pull out these charts, guys, so you can understand where we currently at in this crypto bull run. Because I do believe that over $1 trillion is going to pour into altcoins in the next coming months, right? Give or take, maybe weeks. Why do I think that over $1 trillion is going to pour into the altcoins in these months, bringing us multiple gains still on those bags that we are holding from rock bottom levels? Whoo, it's happening, guys. It is happening. We are in, I'm happy because, I mean, if you followed throughout the last few weeks what I have been buying, you have to be in a good position. I'm in an incredible position right now. Crypto bull run is paying off, and I'm super happy. And this will extend for the next coming months. And I got an explanation behind this. So I want you to stay to understand that explanation, of course, which will come in the next coming minutes. But what I am happy about is the positions that we have got in, right? The low risk. Imagine buying Bitcoin. Imagine buying Bitcoin or whatever altcoin, right, down here in the C19 crash, right? Or even in this zone. It doesn't really matter. But buying here, right? You are in such a great position. You have basically almost zero risk, right? Whoever bought the C19 crash just after a few weeks was in a great position. And I have that feeling throughout many different altcoins, such as Umbrella, such as Constellation DAG, right? All of these ones that we have been talking about throughout the last few weeks, right? And even last couple of months right now at this point. You are in such a great position if you've been buying this area that you're almost riding a risk-free investment, right? It's almost a risk-free investment at this point. So congratulations, guys, whoever's been getting into these altcoins at those levels that we've been talking about throughout many weeks here. I just have to say congratulations, guys. You know, I'm just you know, my socks are being blown off. So I'm happy. You guys should be happy. Let's take a look here at Sharp here from Lokek Super Chat. What is Sharp? I've got these ones saved up, I have to say. Very tempted. Also, OFN and Delay just about to leave the station. I would really consider buying, I mean, maybe a few $10,000 on these ones just to buy a bag. Because, yeah, these could do a 3, 4, 5x in the coming weeks. And, yeah, we want to take advantage if we do have some liquidity, guys. If you do have some capital, if you do have some fiat, you know, we want to be in those gains in the next coming weeks. It's just we need to ride that momentum and squeeze the juice, right? We need to really squeeze the juice with this run, guys. It's just this opportunity will not be here in the coming months. The opportunity will not be here in the coming months, and we'll be focusing on the channel on Bitcoin trading as we do always, right? We focus on mainly trading Bitcoin, intraday setups, local small swing trading setups. We'll just have to hold on to the bags and just focus on on Bitcoin trading, which is great. You know, this is also where I make money, right? But by doing Bitcoin trading, but the opportunity we have right now, we need to ditch Bitcoin trading for the moment and go on altcoins, because it would be silly not to do so, right? It will be silly not to focus on altcoins right now as a cryptocurrency investor, because it's just easy gains. Let's leave it that way. We spot on the bottoms. Let's take it out sharp right away. Here for my man 𝗬𝗫𝗍𝗫. Thanks for the super chat. Let's go here with sharp. I'm not sure if it is this one. What is the ticker symbol? It might be sharp. Also sharp. Is it sharp AI? Okay, it's an AI crypto, so it is sharp. Let's take a look at this one right away. Getting a bit of a dump right now. Is it this one? Sharp. Hang on a second. Let's double check here the exchanges. Sharp AI. It is sharp as ticker symbol. I'm getting a few options here. Yeah, we're gonna have to take a look at this one on DEX tools. It's on there's no exchanges. This one it only launched a few weeks ago, back in October. At least that's what it says here on CoinGecko. So we're gonna have to pull out DEX tools here, because there's no exchanges. It's only on Uniswap, on the decentralized swap. So this one did launch a few weeks ago. Yeah, the thing is about this one is that the thing about this crypto, you cannot buy it on exchanges. You have to, the only place at the moment is Uniswap. There might be another decentralized exchange, but here on CoinGecko we have sharp on Uniswap. So it looks like it wants to leave here. Not much that we could analyze, but it looks like it's breaking trend. Just keeping it simple, it broke that lower high resistance trend, and it is in a very good position. Just getting a little bit of a reaction from this consolidation of the last few weeks here. Just got a major swing failure pattern of these highs, so it is getting a bit of resistance right over here. Yeah, what can I say? But it's breaking out. It is in AI. It seems like it is a very low cap crypto, 2 million. There might be some risk on this, but the exponential gains could be very high. Has pumped quite nicely the last few days, over 100%. Very low market cap. I mean, these, you know, you usually find great opportunities on these ones that are not launched on exchanges yet. And this one did launch just in October, if I'm not, well, no, slightly below, you know, slightly before. Yeah, this one launched in October. So it's a relatively new crypto in this bull run. No exchanger listing at the moment. I will take a look at this one, Sharp AI. See what that turns sports bettors into winners. Wow. Okay, this is an AI for sports bets. Interesting. We'll have a quick research on this one. The fact that it's on no exchanges, it doesn't matter if it's launched not long ago, because maybe they are going to be, you know, listed on exchanges very soon, just because it's a relatively new cryptocurrency. It's a very low market cap. I mean, I like this. I will do the research on this one. I don't know, but yeah, just AI that's in sport bets. This could be something. This could be something. Either a gigantic rug pull or it could be something. I will take a look at this. Thank you very much for that. I like these interesting projects, especially AI. They are relatively new. They're not listed on exchanges just yet. If the project looks pretty legit, let's see who created it, the partnerships, what's the roadmap, what's their idea of this project. If it does look pretty good, then yeah, it could be worth throwing some play money into this, because the low cap is very small. Anyway, shout out to you. I'm here to listen to the viewers as well. Super chats are great, guys. If you want me to really read your comment, super chat is the best option. I do have a few super chats still that I need to take a look at. I like this project, not of the fundamentals. I like it. It's launched not long ago. It's launched in the middle stages of the bull run, so it still has exponential growth. They're not listed on exchanges. Let's take a look at the project, who they are, What's their roadmap? Does it seem legit? And it might be worth throwing a bit of capital into this one, throwing a bit of cash. Shout out to you. 𝗬𝗵𝗴𝗃 looks great. There's so many cryptos that look great. 𝗬𝗵𝗃 is saying that 𝗬𝗵 is looking great. 𝗬𝗵𝗃. 𝗬𝗵. Let's take a look at this one on the chart right away. Why not? Let's take a look at 𝗬𝗵, and then I'll go through the super chat. Sorry guys, I have to go through the super chat. In a sharp pullback here from a major pump. It looks interesting, but we need a little bit of a bottom formation, right? We have got the pullback. We need a bit of a bottom formation just like this, right? If we do get this on the chart, it's going to be looking epic, right? Selling pressure exhaustion, that's what we want here. Still quite downtrending from the last couple of weeks. So let's see if we find an accumulation zone on this one, 𝗬𝗵𝗃. I would remain patient on this one. I would say this is not, I mean, could it rocket from here in the next coming days? Yeah, absolutely. But I prefer bottom formations. And there's many other ones, right, with rock bottom formations. Let's take a look. Sharp has been looked at. Let's take a look at super chat here. We do have another one here from Mustafa. Hi, Andy. Can you please check nulls? What is nulls? Right away, let's take a look at nulls here. What is nulls? I have no idea what this is. We can pull out the chart, see what this one is all about. Let's go, guys. It's going to be quick, okay? I'm doing comment section. Woo! Chart looks amazing, I have to say. The chart looks very interesting. Looks like it's breaking out here. There's lower high resistance. I like this range formation. Little bit of a diamond bottom. Little bit of a dodgy diamond bottom. But the chart looks amazing. I have no idea what this one is. Guys, if you pull out so many charts, there's so many different cryptos that I would be willing to throw some cash in. I've got too many right now. I don't want to have 100 altcoins like I mentioned. It's on the... Oh, sorry, not this one. My bad. Let's take a look at nulls. Nulls. Yeah, the chart does look good. Low cap crypto. I have to do a bit of research to see. I don't want to have a dozen of altcoins. Nulls market, making it easier to innovate. Okay, we'll have to do a quick search. The chart does look pretty good on nulls. It does look pretty good. Looks very, very good indeed. Still at very good rock bottom level zones. Still hasn't taken off. It is pumping. I want to go through the rest of super chats. Hey Andy, could you have a look at ATR, our trade, similar project to audio? Thanks. You're very welcome, my man Schwartz. Thanks for the super chat. Let's take a look at this one. So many opportunities, guys. So many opportunities. We're pulling them out here. I really like the AI ones. Layer AI and also Open Fabric AI. Someone that did a super chat. Shout out to you. This one looks awesome. This one looks insane. After the stream, I will likely be scooping up because I haven't even got funds on the exchanges. Just been buying a few weeks. These different ones such as Cardano. I really need to start sending some US dollar tether onto exchanges or decentralized wallet to buy up some of these altcoins. Anyway, let's take a look at this one right away. ATR. Let's take a look at ATR on the chart. Why not? 𝗬𝗲 is one of them, guys. I think that, this is one of the picks. I've been doing a bit of research on 𝗬𝗲. Great project, really legit, great roadmap. This one hasn't left the station. This one does look like it is going to be popping out here very, very soon. Very soon, okay? So that is another pick of mine that it hasn't left the station just yet. And we need to take advantage, guys. We need to take advantage. Let's take a look at this one. ATR. Similar project to audio. Yeah, this one's pumped quite a bit already. Yeah, this one's pumped quite a bit. I wouldn't be too interested here to buy up on this one. We did take a look at this one here on the Q1 pump of 2024. Yeah, this one's already kind of leaving the station. Yeah, ATR. Do I see exponential growth? Do I see the highs of March being taken? Yes, like many altcoins. Absolutely. Why not? I mean, this could be an awesome project, but I feel like I've missed out on the pump. Okay. So I will personally not be buying this myself at these levels. I will personally not be buying ATR, our trade. But it's similar to audio. Been pumping today quite nicely as well. Still a low cap cryptocurrency. I'll just look at it here just for entertainment purposes. You can buy this on Radium, on 𝗬𝗫 as well. High liquidity, guys. Remember, 𝗬𝗫, great platform as well. You have extremely low fees on 𝗬𝗫 to trade. Take advantage of that deposit bonus, guys. 𝗬𝗫, there's hundreds of altcoins, especially low cap coins, which you can buy, and you have $20,000 deposit bonus, right, for your trading. The more you deposit and trade, the more airdrops you're going to get to use, right, up to $20,000 for your trading. Of course, you cannot withdraw this bonus. It is used for your capital, so you can have more capital, and whatever you make with those profits, right, with that bonus, you can withdraw. All right, take advantage of the bonuses. You got bluffing as well, which is just an email and a password, and you get 10% cash back. Also, hundreds of altcoins on bluffing, guys. Take advantage of that bonus, 10% cash back, guys, to use for your trading on bluffing. You have the link down below, okay? Just with an email and a password, you're signing up. Let's go right away through more altcoins, guys. We're spotting those opportunities here like crazy today. Thanks to the community. This is what I want to see. I've been spotting some great ones the last few weeks. I still have a few of them, right? Like I mentioned, I think 𝗬𝗫 is still in great zone. 𝗬𝗫 network is just about to leave, right? 𝗬𝗫 network is just about to leave. I don't know where it is right now. 𝗬𝗫 is about to leave. Still just at the very limit. But these AI cryptos look absolutely insane. Open Fabric AI and also Layer AI, still in a great zone, guys, before any of this happens. Still in a great zone. Now, be aware that this range could continue for a few more days, just like what happened with Umbrella, right? Umbrella, I did hold a little bit of unrealized losses, just for a little bit. Not for long, just for a little bit. However, it's gone. Today it's gone. Today it's officially leaving. And we were just, oh, it pumped, it dumped. You know, people in doubt, Umbrella, saying, scoop up, guys, scoop up. There's pump and dump in this range. Scoop up, because we are going to be leaving very, very soon. And today is the day. Today is the official day that it's actually left the zone. We had a few fake outs just a couple of weeks ago, bringing us another great opportunity. It's officially leaving today. So no more talking about buying Umbrella. Right? That's what happens, right? Buy, yes, buy. This is going to pump. Guys, we're still in zone till there will be one day that I will come up and say, guys, yeah, no more talking about Umbrella, right? That's it, right? So it's happening officially today for this one. But yeah, we still have lots of opportunities, right? These two ones are my favorite right now. I'm going to do research on these ones, even though it's just they're likely going to pump regardless, just like they did right in Q1 of 2024 of this year. But I need to take a look at them. I need to know what I'm buying ever so slightly. So screw Bitcoin. I do have some analysis on Bitcoin, but if you want more Bitcoin in detail analysis, you have to join the Legends trading community. We are traders, all right? We buy on spot, mainly on YouTube. We like to take a look at, good trading, spot trading or leverage trading on altcoins. But if you want more in detail Bitcoin technical analysis, you will find it right over here in the Legends trading community, where we're talking about the setups. You have myself and 𝗕𝗏𝘆𝗽 going through the analysis, the explanations every single day, the education, the modules on how to learn, how to read the charts and spot those opportunities for yourself. There's only one place to be. First link down below, Legends Trading Community. You have the course and you have the access to the Discord where you're getting the daily analysis and potential setups, mainly on Bitcoin, guys. This will take you to the website so you can join a very active trading community. That's where you want to be in a very active trading community. Let's go, continue. I'm going nuts here. 𝗬𝗫 looks great. 𝗬𝗫 is one of my picks. 𝗬𝗫𝘃𝗿𝗽. 𝗬𝗫, great project. It's insane. It's an oracle. It's in DeFi. It's all sorts. Without a doubt, 𝗬𝗫 has its spot for the next coming months to explode. So many super chats. Can you take a look at Seller? I'm lagging behind the super chats here, guys. Sorry. I will get there. I will get there. Seller network, right? Seller. All right. I have to say, this one's left the station. I would personally not be interested in buying this one, only if you are just ever so slightly tapping the resistance zones and scoop up any pullbacks in this area would be interesting. Left the station already, almost doing a 2x. I think this has already been a little bit risky to FOMO into this one, right? Let's just keep it simple. I'm interested in the ones that are still in this range after the dump of the last few months, such as these AI coins, right? Layer AI, Open Fabric. This is opportunity zone. The ones that have popped out are, in my opinion, not in opportunity zone anymore. If you want the best opportunity, we need to flip this, and it might, you know, Seller, without a doubt, Seller network. Yeah, yeah, of course, take out the March highs. I want to buy the bottom levels. You know, it's been too many years, guys, and we know how to detect the bottom. And this is where we're focusing our energy. Bottom levels, cryptos that haven't popped out, so we can de-risk our positions. The moment you're getting into pumps, you are risking pullbacks, and you have to wait for the recovery if any recovery does happen. The moment you buy in here at the consolidation levels, the risk is extremely small, because if you pump and you have a 2-3x gains and it comes back down, you're either going to be in small profits or at break even, right? So you have very, very low risk buying where you need to buy. Ones that have, you know, broken out from the range of the last few months, that there's already some risk right there. Okay, so I mean, that's my opinion on that. Supra oracles, new Solana thoughts. Let's take a look at Supra right away. What the heck is going on with this cryptocurrency? Let's dive in, take a look at it with the legends. Supra, is this the ticker symbol or it's not? Supra, oracle, Solana, Supra, is it this one? All in Supra L1, should be this one. This one potentially launched not long ago. This one only just launched. Obviously, you know, cryptos that launch, you get that movement down. I mean, if they only just launched the last few days, we need to really be aware of the investors that got into the private sale, and they do have access to sell those cryptocurrencies. Right, there's been a private sale before the launch, just like many of the cryptos, and obviously just as they launch onto exchanges, you need to be very much aware, because that gives access to the investors to sell their bags, right? The first initial bags. This is why you get usually those dumps at the beginning. I would take a look at the tokenomics, the private sales, you know, how many is there on the open market, and the unlocks that there has to be some research on this to be done, right? You cannot just randomly buy a crypto that's just launched, because you're going to see some selling pressure from the early investors. Not interested in this. Keeping it simple. Not interested. I'm not going to fall in the trap. Once it, you know, it could be worth doing some research to actually wait for the bottom formation and then scoop up once the selling pressure is exhausted. and then maybe buy. Chem and Dash says, Stuart, hey, let's save those super chats of $2 for one crypto, man. Not 2 or 3, eh? Let's take a look at Chem or Dash. Come on. I really don't have time. I wish I could take a look at all of the cryptos and all of the comments, guys, but you cannot go through all of them, right? And do not put 2 or 3 cryptos. Don't be greedy with the comments, putting 2 cryptocurrencies to analyze. And I'm doing very basic analysis just so I can go through most of the cryptocurrencies. Chem, this one's doing already pretty good already. Yeah. What can I say? It's just testing the previous bear market lows. This one would have been interested to get in a few weeks ago. Already pumping quite a lot. Already done almost a 3x from the last few weeks lows. Don't want to join into the pump, even though I do think, yeah, without a doubt, looking at the chart here, this has exponential growth, but I wouldn't be interested in buying on this pump that we've had the last couple of weeks. Looks pretty good. Dash also. Shrap, not sharp. Okay. My bad. Seems like I did take a look at the wrong crypto. Shrapnel. Shrap. What is this one? I have no idea. Low cap coin. Okay, let's take a look. Oh, this one looks like it's bottoming out here. It's down ever so slightly on the avalanche ecosystem. Shrapnel. Okay. It's a gaming project by the looks of things. Gaming will have its moment. Let's take a look at this one here. Shrap on the chart. It's probably available on 𝗬𝗄𝗄 or Bybit. Shrap. Okay, it is available on Bybit. Major launch pump. It is getting a bit of a dump. The chart looks interesting right over here. The chart does look interesting. Looks interesting, but gaming projects, I mean, unless it's a very cool gaming project, is it like a Counter-Strike kind of game? Yeah, gaming will have its moment. I'm not sure if this game is launched already. Get the game. Interesting. Gaming will have its moment. We'll have to, you know, even though the chart looks amazing, you have a major dump here on this crypto, dropping over 90%, and this could be an opportunity area. Gaming will have its moment in crypto. We'll have to take a look at this one. This is on the Avalanche ecosystem. It is available on Bybit, actually. It is available on Bybit. You can buy up this one on spot. Eventually not leverage trading. Remember, guys, if you're interested, best exchange for me is Bybit. Take advantage of that $500 airdrop, all right? And you can use that for trading and keep the profits that you make from that airdrop that you get here. Follow the steps as you sign up through the link on Bybit. If you can't trade on Bybit, there's Bluffin with a 10% cashback, guys. Just an email and a password, and you get 10% cashback on Bluffin. There's hundreds of altcoins here to trade as well. Shramp looks interesting, but I would really take a look at this one. Not that interested in buying some of these gaming projects, me personally, okay? Not yet, anyway. 𝗬𝗄𝗄𝗽, Jesus, dude. Yeah, don't worry. My bad. I did read that ever so fast. Can you take a look at super chat here from Biz Knowledge? Guys, it is impossible to read everything, okay? I'm doing my best here. I'm really trying to go through most of you. Can you let's smash up the like button, get above 500 likes, guys, and we'll be back. Once we get 600 likes, we are back, okay? And we're taking a look at major opportunities still. We are here to spot them. We are going through comment section and going through multiple altcoins. We've spot major opportunities throughout the last few weeks and the last few days, even today. great opportunities on Open Fabric AI, also Layer AI, and this is thanks to the community. We'll be back with more once we get to 600 likes. We are spotting them, guys. We are making bank. It's been an incredible few weeks, and it will continue, and I need your support, okay? And you need my support. So let's get to 600 likes. We are spotting those altcoin projects, great opportunities. Umbrella leaving the station. I've been a pest with Umbrella, guys. I've been a pest. Been talking about Umbrella every single live stream throughout the last few months, right? Just saying, hey, it's a matter of being patient. Then we're leaving the station today. Today we are leaving, guys. It's a matter of waiting and being patient. We're going to spot those opportunities. Let's get to 600 likes and we are back. People rather leave the stream than actually smash up the like button. This is incredible. 21st century. This is the kind of people you get, right? I don't believe it. I don't believe it. I don't believe it. No way. It's crazy. How's that even possible? Likes are pumping. We get to 600 likes. People rather leave the stream than smash the like button. Oh my goodness. This is incredible. The ones that do that are definitely not going to be making gains. I can tell you that. Smash the like button, you peasant, says Kem. Come on, you chicken nuggets. We got to 600 likes. We got it. My goodness, it was hard. People rather leave the stream than smash the like button. Absolutely incredible. We were above 1,000. You got 50 people, 60, 70 leaving the stream instead of smashing the like. We are here looking for opportunities faster than anybody else on YouTube, I have to say, because we just spotting them really nicely. I'm trying to go through most of the comments. Guys, this is up. I'm not saying this one, Shrap. I really have. This is a gaming project. Let's get this one out. But Open Fabric, new opportunity. Open Fabric AI, Layer AI in the opportunity zone. Hasn't smacked out of the zone just yet. We are spotting them, guys, and we've been spotting many. So thanks for the support. Yeah, like button has gone crazy at the moment. So let's ditch Bitcoin because we are too busy in finding, you know, major altcoin opportunities. Let's go right away. I think I got another super chat that I need to take a look at here very quickly. Can you do Aurora? Thanks. Okay. I was an XRP holder only for years, been watching your stream, opened a trading account, opened my eyes to new ops. It inspired me. Thank you very much, sir. UK baby. 𝗬𝗐𝗂𝗏 brand. My man, shout out to you. Shout out to you. What an awesome comment from somebody. I was an XRP holder only for years. Been watching your stream, opened a trading account, opened my eyes to new ops. It inspired me. Thank you so much, sir. UK baby. Thank you very much, my man, for that kind comment. Yeah, without a doubt, if you've been long enough here being a follower, I have many DMs of people saying, you know, I've taken my trading experience to the next level, managing risk so well, spotting opportunities, and this is very inspiring for me, of course. Charts are charts. Opportunities are there. We just need to learn how to spot them. Let's continue through the super chat. I got another super chat here somewhere here from Can You Do Aurora? Thanks from Prince Dave. Let's take a look at Aurora right away. Absolute legend. Aurora. It has to be this one. It has to be the first one. It's not this one, is it? Don't tell me it is this one. Is it this manga hot chick here? I don't think it is. It has to be the first one. Let me know. Oh my goodness. I'm confused. Yeah, I would assume it's not this one where you have a hot chick on. It's like a manga meme coin, or I don't know what it is. I assume it's the first one. CoinGecko is lagging here for some reason. Damn you, CoinGecko. Too many people using the website to look for great opportunities. Anyway, let's go right away and try and assume that this is the Aurora that you want me to take a look at. I have to say, kind of left the station already. It does look like it is forming a pretty nice pennant here that wants to break out. I would even prefer if this one takes out the low for a greater opportunity. If this one comes down and takes out the low, it will be a great opportunity. You got that bullish flag formation and then, you know, great accumulation zone, I have to say. Right now, it's already got the pop here just a few days ago. So already got a major rally. I'm personally, you know, the ones that are popping, I'm not interested in buying the pop. I'm aware of the pullback. I want to be protected with my funds. So just like Umbrella, it's left the station. No more Umbrella talking and buying. We've been going through this massive range. I mean, a lot of the altcoins are just going to do those similar X's, right? So I mean, I do come to the conclusion, why the heck would I buy 100 altcoins that most of them are going to do in between a 5 and a 15x, right? Realistically, some of them will manage. You know, we need to hold some bags, right, for the potential 30, 40x's, right? But staying real, why buy 100 altcoins that are going to do a 5 to 15x, almost all of them, when you can buy 15, right? Allocate more capital instead of putting $1,000 on 100 ones, you know, put 100,000 on 15, right? Diversified, because they're going to do the same 5 to 15x, right? It seems kind of stupid to do something like this, but it happens, right? Even myself, I hold almost 30 altcoins at the moment, and I'm just going like, damn. But the high cap coin ones, right? I've made exponential gains on these ones, and I'm really thinking of Constellation DAG. You know, I've put significant amount on Constellation DAG, and it's almost done a 4x already. And, you know, what you need to do is flip the gains, right? So now is when we are interested in mid-low cap coins, right? The high cap coins, ADA, XRP, they've made the 2, 3, 4x, right? From the lows of the last couple of months. Now you want to flip those gains into low mid-cap coins, such as these AI ones, right? Umbrella, Fowler Network. You want to get those gains and really try and flip them for the ones that haven't pumped yet. So you need to really move around, and you really need to move around. So anyway, Aurora on the chart, I'm not that interested. Sorry, me personally here. Where is it? Where is Aurora? ATR. Yeah, this one's, you know, left the station already. It could likely continue. I would rather see a little bit more of a pullback here on Aurora. It's already broken out from the accumulation zone. So I'm personally not interested. If we were to get a pullback, I would be interested in rebuying. So that is that. Can you do Kadena, please? We can do Kadena. We've been doing Kadena for weeks. I hold a significant bag of Kadena, buying at the 60-70 cent level. I just went not all in, but I have to say I did put over $50,000 on this one, and I'm happy with the gains right now. I've actually got still a few on Bybit of Kadena that I have not withdrawn. Don't keep your cryptos on the exchanges, guys, even though I have some of this one, but I don't mind having some on Bybit. Make sure to, you know, once you have more than, you know, significant amounts, make sure that, I mean, it's just a suggestion, right? I don't like keeping cryptos, money on exchanges, unless it's a very legit one. I mean, Bybit is fine, but I've been buying Kadena like crazy the last few weeks, and it's doing extremely well, and I'm gonna hold on. I haven't taken profits yet of any of the Kadena that I bought until we spike above the March highs, which will be approximately over a 4x, which is great. Hey, depending on how much you put, if you put $100, then you're making $400, right? $300. If you put 50,000, then you're making it, $150,000. So this is how it works, depending on how much you allocate. And for me, Kadena was pretty obvious, just like Constellation DAG. I need to put significant amount in this area because I'm just so aware that it's gonna break out. And yeah, we're in the money, guys. I haven't taken profits, and I will not take profit. I'm very confident that it will take out the March highs, and I will probably sell 50% of the holdings. It's a quick flip, and I will hold a moon bag. I will hold a moon bag just to speculate on that potential massive breakout, right? $4, $5, it's sky's the limit, but would be interested in taking little bits of profits as we go to higher levels, right? We don't know where the top is. We don't know if this one's going to go to $20. I don't know that. I'm willing to sell a significant chunk already at a 4x and just scale out 5%, 5%, 5%. I just don't know where sky's the limit, maybe, right? But I don't mind saying, oh, I should have hold on. There's going to be so many stories of I should have hold on. I would have made a 40x. I would have made a 20x. I would have made this. I would have made that. I have a strategy. I'm just going to keep to it. I'm happy with the profits. You never know what could be around the corner, because then you get the breakout and then no profits being taken and you enter another bear market. And then, people are just greedy and they want to hold on the bags till we actually moon, right? I have a different strategy this cycle. I have a different strategy because I did not take enough profits in the previous cycle, and I will be more aggressive buying the lows, I have to say, on many altcoins, but more aggressive taking profits because they will not catch me this cycle, I can tell you that. Will I lose potential gains? Yeah, I will lose potential exponential gains, but the gains, I will be making gains 100% regardless, right? So Kadena, not going to go through lower time frames. This is still in great momentum regardless of what happens here. March highs to be taken, and especially if we swing failure pattern the highs, then I would consider taking maybe 50% of what I invested here, and then I'll leave a moon bag. I'll leave a moon bag for what could ever happen in the next coming months. All right, positions are there. We have very good positions. Retesting the neckline of the inverse head and shoulder, says Sin Games. BTC 4 hourly. Is this going to fly above 100k soon, or do we go to lower levels below 90k? He's saying we're retesting the inverse head and shoulder neckline. Very interesting. Inverse head and shoulder neckline. Okay, so we do have, let me just get these broadening wedges out of the way on Bitcoin. We haven't done Bitcoin analysis, guys. We have time. We are Bitcoin traders, daily traders, right? I'm not sure if you're talking about this neckline. Inverse head and shoulder on the 4 hourly. I don't see a major inverse head and shoulder here with a descending neckline potentially. Yeah, a bit of a dodgy one. You could be in that formation of a right shoulder here. Not a massive fan of these patterns. I go more into Elliott wave theory and analyzing waves and Fibonacci. But 𝗖𝗍𝗽 is still in the buy zone. I also have a 𝗖𝗍𝗽 bag. We did talk about 𝗖𝗍𝗽 being one of the altcoin opportunities. Yeah, I mean, I would say as we are testing kind of the highs here, but we talked about 𝗖𝗍𝗽 when we were trading at the 10 cent level. That is the average buy zone that I got into 𝗬𝗍. And yeah, up 50% on 𝗬𝗍 on those bags, which is great. And I do see 𝗬𝗍 hitting the highs here from March. So yeah, is this still buy zone? I would arguably discuss, yeah, you're still pretty okay. But we bought kind of the right shoulder, right? 𝗬𝗍 was one of them that we actually talked about, this descending channel, and talked about, guys, we are going to get in the right shoulder. Let's get in the right shoulder, right? Even though if it goes to 8 cents or 7 cents, let's get in this zone, because yeah, we want to be in the right shoulder before it breaks out, right? But yeah, I think eventually I'm expecting higher levels. You're just buying a little later than me, which is still going to make gains, I think, in my opinion, but just less gains. And you are exposing yourself for a little bit of for pullbacks, right? Even though a lot of the altcoins are just not getting pullbacks, they're just flying. Hey Andy, what's Uni doing? Uniswap, I have no idea. Let's take a look at Uniswap right away on the chart. Why not here for the legends? We got the like button absolutely exploding. We're getting some new people joining, of course, because the people that did not smash the like button, they just left, and they're missing out on, you know, Uniswap left the station long time ago. Not interested in this one. But we have spotted some great altcoins here, AI coins that haven't left the station. We have Open Fabric for anybody that is new, coming right now, joining the stream. Altcoins that have been spotted here, especially from 𝗬𝗍𝘆. We have him here in the comment section, guys. Go and check out 𝗬𝗍𝘆. He's in the pinned comment. Okay, if you check out the pinned comment right here on the top right, you're gonna go to a channel, and it's this sexy dude right over here. Look at him. Hey, you need to go and check out this guy, because he has insane knowledge on technical analysis and trading, and he's got a YouTube channel. He's a coach in the Legends trading community. He provides live streams every day in the Legends trading community. He also has a YouTube channel. Go and check him out, guys. If you want to know about Bitcoin technical analysis, also talking about altcoins, he's in the pinned comment. Shout out to you, 𝗬𝗍𝘆, my man. And we also have him here. I cannot believe it. He has joined as well. I do not believe it. I do not believe it. I do not believe it. I need to give a shout out to you as well, my man. We have him, 𝗬𝗏𝘃𝗏. If you are fed up of technical analysis, right? Even though I think technical analysis, obviously, we build up, right, the opportunities based on technical analysis. You have to go and check out this guy right over here that opened a channel not long ago. And I'm just giving shout outs here, guys, because I know it's early stages. We're in the bull run. You need so much information from people that have been in the space for many years, and you need to absorb all of the knowledge. Okay. And we have 𝗬𝗏𝘃𝗏 here in the comment section. Go and check him out. We got the pinned comment. New pinned comment, guys. New pinned comment. We have 𝗬𝗏𝘃𝗏. Shout out to you, my man. He only opened the channel a few weeks ago. If you want to know about Degen altcoins news, you have to go and check him out. 𝗬𝗏𝘃𝗏 only opened the channel just a few weeks ago, and I've known him for years. He knows his stuff. Go and check him out. You're going to get a bunch of information, especially if you're new to cryptocurrency. You want to go and check him out, guys. Shout out to you, Mattia, in the comment section right now. This is crazy. We got Mattia, sorry. We got 𝗬𝗏𝘆. Absolute legends. Absolute legends. They've been here many years, and it's just great information, guys, especially for people that are new in crypto. Love Andy, 𝗬𝗏𝘆, CBM analysis, says Jimmy. Absolutely. Crypto by Mattia. Waves. You know, Waves, oh my goodness, they had Waves was delisted on Binance, and major volatility on this one. This one's got a major pump and dump. I'm really skeptical on this. This one got delisted on Binance, and I knew this was going to be an opportunity, Waves. And you know, this one left the station already. But they're all doing these 2x's, right? All of the cryptos throughout the last couple of weeks, the high mid-cap ones, they're doing a 2x. Some of them are doing a 3x, right? So we don't need to get in all of them, guys. We don't have to have 200 altcoins and all of them are doing a 2x or a 3x the last couple of weeks, right? You can allocate more funds into 10, 15 altcoins that are doing the same 2, 3, 4x, right? On average. Yeah, you're going to find one that does a 10x, but I think it's pretty crazy, right? I'm really in that problem. I'm in that situation right now, guys, where I've been adding more altcoins the last few weeks and I'm getting over 30 right now. I don't want to have 50 altcoins, but I think I'm going to end up having 40 altcoins in the next 1 to 2 weeks, especially if we spot these great opportunities such as OpenFabric AI in this consolidation symmetrical triangle. I'm going to do research on these two, but there's not much research to do when you take a look at a chart like this, especially if they are in AI. After the stream, I'm going to look at them and I'm going to very likely buy some of them, especially Layer AI that 𝗕𝗏𝘆𝗽𝗽 talked about this one. If 𝗕𝗏𝘆𝗽𝗽 talked about this one, I have to throw a chunk. I have to throw a chunk of cash on this one. Because the chart looks amazing. I just have to say. And I'll end up having 5-10 more altcoins in the next 1 to 2 weeks because we need to take advantage of these opportunities. The ones that I bought, most of them have pumped already. Most of them have already created that 2, 3, even 4x, right? Such as Constellation DAG. So when I see this one that hasn't pumped yet, I'm thinking, right, I need to take advantage before the pump happens, right? We only buy the ones that haven't pumped. And this is one of them. So it's like, I need to buy in. I need to buy this. I'm not interested in the ones that have pumped already. I'm not going to buy this. But I do want to buy this before the pump happens. So opportunity right over there, guys. Umbrella. Yes, we've talked about Umbrella. We're getting some people that haven't joined throughout the last hour talking about, yeah, Umbrella's just leaving the station today. Today is the official day that Umbrella is actually is popped, guys. I've been a pest of Umbrella for many weeks, even months, in this consolidation area, saying, guys, this is at the bottom. It's even my 4-year-old nephew, he was saying, this is at the bottom. This is the bottom. It's no more selling pressure. Even my 4-year-old nephew told me to buy this. So I thought, yeah, you're damn right. This is an accumulation area. So we are in the game right now. We are in the game. Thanks, Andy, for Cadena. You're very welcome. I'm getting some thank yous. Of course, guys, come on. I'm getting some thank yous on Cadena. Cadena was one of a very hyped up cryptocurrency that I've been talking throughout the last few weeks before it pumped. And hold on, guys. Hold on. Keep those moon boots on because we are going to take out March highs. Right? It's just a matter of time. Hold on, guys. There's no profit taken here from the levels that we've been buying on Cadena. Hold on to this because this is going to be a bumpy ride, but it's going to be a very satisfying ride, right? Because we will take out those March highs very soon. It's going to happen. So hold on. Keep your moon boots on because we are not finished. We are not finished. Would I buy Cadena now? No, I would not buy Cadena now. We've been screaming this throughout the last few weeks. We've been screaming about it, and I've been a pest about Cadena. This, buy for many weeks. You have to be a pest, guys, because, people will not listen, and I want people to get in the opportunity. What about Cadena now? Not interested. We are in the game, baby. UFO Gaming, says Money Print. Okay, my man, stay calm. I was waiting for the 002 bottom on ADA. Yeah, it happens. Guys, the bottom is never, it's like Cadena. I was very happy to buy in between the 60-70 cent level. Yeah, I'm going to wait for the low here. I'm going to wait for another low. No, guys. Low of the bear market was taken on Cadena. This is still a great... This is why we talk about a buying zone. This is why Fowler Network has been in the buying zone still the last few days at 14 cents. I think it was still an okay buy. It's a zone, guys. We cannot buy the... Sometimes we will buy the bottom. Sometimes this is like 1 or 2 days in the bear market that you will manage to buy the bottom. We need a DCA, the accumulation zone, right? And the best example was Chainlink, guys. I have thousands of Chainlink because I've been accumulating like crazy. This area, you know, I got such a great average entry on Chainlink at $6, $7, $8. I was happy to buy this zone. I was just buying and buying every week. Every time I had some funds from trading or from, you know, any other income that I have, I would just go and buy up some more Chainlink. This is a high, and I'm not expecting a 50x on Chainlink. If I can 10x my money that I've accumulated on Chainlink, you know, I did, like I said, we need to buy the ranges. Yeah, if you can scoop up that low just at $5, but you want to buy at 6, you want to buy at 7, it doesn't matter. It's an accumulation range. Once you are trading at $30, $40 on Chainlink, it doesn't matter if you bought at 7, at 6, or at 6.5, or at 8.5, or at $10. It doesn't matter. We were talking about Chainlink on this, guys. Hey, you got a second last chance here before we leave. We've had this red box here for the last few months. I mean, I don't know if it was going to extend or not, but this was like the zone based on Fibonacci retracement, based on Elliott wave theory, based on the wave 2 theory here, on the disbelief rally. I don't know how long we're going to be here, guys, but it's the last accumulation zone. So trying to detect the bottom or trying to wait for lower levels, like someone commented here, is insanity, guys. It's detecting the accumulation zone. Buy today, buy tomorrow. It doesn't matter. Once we leave the station, we are not buying. We are not buying, and we are ready to break out some highs and start collecting the profits. That's it. The game is simple. You just need to know how to play the game. If you don't know how to play the game, and you just need to feel left out. Do not do any FOMOing in, guys, because this. You know, there will be a lot of people that will buy late and will, you know, and lose money. It's just people need to lose money so other people make money, such as myself. So anyway, I'm really here to educate, guys, and for the moment, last few weeks have been insane. Anyway, 𝗕𝗄𝗄, you're very welcome on Cadena. Someone saying thank you for Cadena. Somebody actually listened and did buy Cadena at those low levels. But everybody's a genius season, right? So you're going to do well regardless. Everything's going to pump. Everything is pumping. So 5 higher. Faris Al-Faris. My man, okay, tired of asking. Okay, I'm sorry, my man. I'm really sorry. Please forgive me. I will not do that again. I will try and spot your comment right now. Every time that you are joining the live, you are tired. I'm sorry, my man. It won't happen again. He's asking me to analyze 5 IOTX. What the heck is this? There is actually a 5 and a IOTX. What's this one? Okay, let's take a look at this. Let's take a look at this one. When was this launched? My goodness, this one was launched in 2023. Major downtrend. My goodness. It looks like that selling pressure is no longer there. But let's take a look at this one on the chart. I'll do a bit of research on this. I have no idea what this crypto is. It's a smart contract cryptocurrency on the Ethereum blockchain. Let's pull out the chart. I mean, I like these ones that have that look like they're dead, right? Major, major selling pressure throughout the last few months, last year. But we could be forming bottom formation here. Let's take a look at this one right away. 5 US dollar. It's on Bybit. It's on 𝗲𝗄𝗃. Ooh, my goodness! Whoever bought this the last few months is sweating, is wanting a recovery. Whoever bought this crypto throughout the last year, my goodness, he is sweating. Especially people that have put tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands of dollars, or maybe thousands of dollars, or maybe hundreds of dollars. Doesn't matter. Is very, very angry. Whoever's been buying this. Now, it seems like the selling pressure is, no longer there. Selling pressure is no longer there. We kind of, we did find a bottom here throughout August, September, right? The downtrend suddenly stopped. So if you are going to take a chance, then maybe this could be your chance. Because if you would have told me, hey, what do you think about this crypto right over here? I would have said, you know what? Let's just wait a few more months, right? Let's just wait till we actually form a little bit of sideways momentum here, because this is still looking a bit aggressive to the downside. Let's just wait a little bit till we actually find the selling pressure going sideways, right? And this would be an interesting moment right there, right? This would be starting to be interesting. So it does look quite interesting where it is actually. Major sideways momentum throughout the last few weeks. It is getting a bit of pump and dumps. I'll have to do a bit of research. On the chart, it looks pretty damn good. Selling pressure is exhausted. You got the major disbelief rally right over here, and it seems like it's a low cap coin. 4 million market capitalization. Yeah, I will take a look at this one. But if you want to have a low market cap, right? Risky, because there's always risk on these low caps. Altcoin, I mean, this could be one of them. We'll have to check here the creators, the partnerships, the roadmap, the tokenomics, and it could be one. It could be one that looks interesting. I mean, the selling pressure is really found a bottom formation here, at least for the last few weeks, and even here back in September, October. So yeah, this one has stopped, right? The selling pressure has found an official stop, and this is good. This is, if you want to consider buying something, you want to stay away from all of this. Once you have an official stop, you can consider the project to scoop up some, right? So this one looks dead. The selling pressure looks dead. That is important, right? You know what looked dead? Cardano back in 2019 and 2020. Cardano looked dead, right? Yeah, if you want to see a dead project, look at Cardano right over here. This one also looked dead, right? Let's just do a little bit of a, back to the future, back to the past in this case. This looks dead as well, right? This looks very dead. But this was far away from being dead. This was in great accumulation level because the selling pressure was exhausted. I mean, there's going to be many altcoins that will not recover. But I can already tell you, I'm not sure if the project is dead, but I can tell you that the selling pressure is dead. That is for sure. We've found a bottom formation, which is a good sign to consider this an investment. Then we really need to take a look at the project, see what kind of partnerships and roadmap and what are they active? Is there anything being launched? Is there, there's always risk at the end of the day, of course, but if you want to see exponential gains, that it is worth to take a look at these low cap cryptos. 5ire. Anyway, I will take a look at this and maybe pop it out on the next stream if it is an interesting project. to take into consideration, see if they have anything valuable. Right, let's go. Take a look at TRB. TRB is one of those cryptos that has had an epic bull run. TRB has to be one of the best performing cryptos from 2023. The growth on this one was insane. Right, this one actually got I don't know what the heck happened to this one, but it had an insane run in 2023. You know, I have some doubts on this, but it's an Oracle. It is an Oracle project. Bit volatile. Not really interested in this one. UFO moved to Beam in October. Your umbrella up 45%. Wow. Yes, it is. It is. Of course it is. It had to happen, guys. It had to happen. It had to happen. So umbrella is moving. Yes, it is. Umbrella is moving. It is doing rather quite well. It's leaving the station. Can you cover Hedera, please? Well, yeah, 𝗬𝗆 also good project. It's also had some major pumps. Yeah, I mean, there's nothing really to cover on this. I'm expecting the March highs to be taken at some point. It's a great project. You know, high cap coins have left the station, guys. We're really not interested in these ones. The gains are not going to be too great. You can trade them. You can trade the little bull flags and stuff, and you know, or claim the lows and look for local SFPs, because upside momentum is likely to continue. But we are very interested in this area, right? On a lot of the mid-low caps where the opportunities are at the moment. Yeah, you can make a 2, 3, 4x on this one in the coming months, but we have so many that are going to do 3, 4x's in the coming weeks, if not days. And this is what we are spotting on the stream, right? So we're not going to be covering these different ones that have already popped like crazy. Andy, love your content and just subscribe to the channel. I might have a few other alts for the next pump. Ren, EOS, WorldCoin, Hooked Protocol. Wow, insane. Nick Potter, thank you very much, my man. Yeah, Ren seems like it looks very good. We checked Ren not long ago. Let's take a look at Ren. Ren is still... Wow, Ren is leaving. Ren is pumping today. Ren is pumping, guys. Oh... Ren was in a great buy, great pullback just the last couple of days. Yesterday, this one's left the station. It's leaving the station, but I think regarding higher time frames, you could still say that this is an okay zone for spot buys. Yeah, Ren can be bought on Bybit. It can be bought on these other exchanges that I talk about. You have it on spot. You can even, I thought you could, you can leverage trade it as well. Bybit has hundreds of altcoins, guys, and you have a great bonus down below in the description, guys. Take advantage of the bonus. Bybit for me is great. #1 crypto trading platform. If you can't trade on Bybit, you get 10% cash back on bluffing, and it's just an email and a password. Take advantage, guys. Email and password, 10% cash back. What else would you want, right? Great bonus. So many different altcoins, guys. We've spotted a few of them today, thanks to 𝗬𝗍𝗍 and some other people. Layer AI looks insane on the chart. I'm considering buying this in between today and tomorrow. Going to do a little bit of research. We have Open Fabric AI as well. AI is going to have their moment. Mid-low cap coins. This is where we have opportunities, guys. Take advantage. Do your research. Thank you very much for joining the live stream. I will catch you in the next one. Thank you. See you later.